Got a load of hardcore on its way apparently. Hopefully his last load for now. Cost me a fortune. I think I've had about 65 tonne. But I'm probably going to need another load, if not more. Good morning YouTube. It's like another nice day again. Just doing my walk round, make sure nobody's been in over the weekend, but I don't think they have. They've got security on now anyway over the weekend and stuff, on the nights I believe. It don't look like they've been in down there anyway. Came at weekend, had a check. Whilst I've still got machine here on hire, and obviously knock this a bit more about here, get it level, whack at it. Might order another load if I've got time. I've just got a few things to do this week. Quite a busy week, but the lads are going to repair that and all this week. Hopefully them trailers will be moved out. I want another post putting in there outside. I'll probably check these spare posts down when we get 5 minutes, but it's not urgent. So yeah, a busy week actually. Get this finished today, lads, repairing that. Tomorrow we're over at Doncaster to do that sliding gate, which got cancelled last Thursday because wagon IAB were broken or something, sensor on IAB or something. Hopefully that's a go for tomorrow. We've got a bit of palisade to go with that somewhere. I moved it about that much now, I can't remember where I put it. But it's here somewhere. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now. Hopefully everyone should be here pretty soon and we'll get on with our day. So yeah, me and Matt have just nipped up Yeadon to have a look at a job that he'd come last week. He just wanted my opinion on fencing, that it's required gate but it's not quite compliant. It's been in a few years, so we're going to have to put some fence in there so nobody can put their arms through. So we're just measuring what it needs now. I mean, that mesh will do, but it's not quite 2 metres, so, and then we're going to need one here where it run back is. So we're just measuring where it'll go. This is the first of 2 we've got to look at today. So I think, have you got the service contract now, Matt, have you?
Yeah.
It's an old thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that motor looks okay, doesn't it? So yeah, anyway, I'll just get my measurements that I need. Yeah, we're just at a second appointment over at Marla here. There's like a twin double gate. Again, these gates are so low, there's no room back. That's high enough, above 2 metres, but we're going to clad that with some 358 mesh in black. Bolt post to there, bolt a post to there, and then I'll have to get a bracket that goes over there to bolt to there. For the run back, we'll have to make a piece extending onto there, which is roughly 600, something like that. What we'll have to do is shutter this where there's post land there, so then we can bolt this post to it. It's roughly 5 metres there, and then similar this side really. And we will fix some posts to these to make it 2 metres front floor. 1, 2, 3 posts with black 358 mesh. So we're at second part to this job, sort of second gates. My brother's bar used to be right there. He just sold it a couple of weeks ago. So another double here. So again, we're going to have to fix something on here, because this is only 1.5 high. And this one's sort of right height, more or less. So we'll probably fix to that, some 358 mesh. Lads are doing alright with this, cracking on. We've straightened a load of these up, put new rails on pails. It's going to change one there. And you're just going to pull that one back out here, Jamie, up there. Yeah, and fill that all in. So they're just sort of working the way down there. It's never going to be perfect, but obviously renewing pails and stuff like that. And then we'll lift this back in, bend it back, change pails that are knackered. They've straightened most at posts, there's just one up that end. And then obviously here, they've already changed a couple of pails I've noticed. we'll bend them back, and then on the worst ones here where they're getting too, obviously renew the pails and change the rails. That's all we can do for now. Same with that one. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Once they're straightened, it'll look a hell of a lot better. Young'uns up here. Can zoom in there. Callan there, look, doing a bit of raking. So hopefully I'll get that done in a couple of hours. Then we'll get loaded up, ready for Doncaster hopefully in the morning. I'm just going to ring up now and make sure the wagon and everything's on track for tomorrow. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now, and we'll see you in a bit. So we're just checking that off. We've already got a line of wagons. So we've got gate lifted in anyway. That's every man and his dog wants to come in as soon as you pull up with a IAB wagon, but in position now. Block the road off for half an hour. We'll just get some couple of bolts in and then we can be going. Just obviously holding for now. Lovely, and they can get their chain on and the padlock thing that we've got there where Carl is. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see how them two, they go together so you can't cut it off, and then it slides back. It's been an awkward one because they're in and out every 2 minutes. Now there is a slight gap under there which they're a little concerned with, but I think we're just going to put some sleeping policemen because the cars actually fly around here anyway. So let's just go back a little. Is that in that cab? That's it, yeah. Yeah, so that's it, finished product. Another manual sliding gate, it's been a big one that. 11.5 metres in total, that full length. But we got there after troubles we had. What do you say, Carl? Job well done?
Job well done.
We got it done in end and we're actually getting quicker and better at these, so I think we've another one to do. So it's a bit smaller, so hopefully we'll get that done a lot easier.
Not on the doubt. Us as a team, we hadn't all worked together for long.
No, that's true. No, that's true. So
12 months or so.
we'll have us own little ways, so yeah.
Mine are right ways.
He tends to know what he's doing, I'll give him that. So anyway, we're going to set off now, so it's an hour and a half. So right, I'll see you in the morning, Cal, yeah? Right, so we're on our way and we'll see you tomorrow. Here we are, another day in paradise. Just in office, doing some bits. Who's this?
Hello.
Brother Paul. That young Jacob here making bros look.
Yeah, I'm like a tea lady, aren't I?
Good lad. Discussing a few marketing strategies. And he's the man that can. Got a load of hardcore on its way apparently, so I'll film that in a minute when that turns up. Hopefully his last load for now. It's cost me a fortune. About 65 tonne. That is, that's gone in there. That's it. 300 odd quid there, believe it or not.
We've been slow on the old Cham Cam. We made that little gate Monday as well as hardcore and all in there. What you on with, Jacob?
That job that we put on hold a bit ago, we're checking on with that.
Yeah.
Black boxes in, just clearing up a few extra bits to get put in the gate now. Put a gate rather than just a frame.
It's been quite a productive day. Just drilling his last couple of holes in that core. Just have a little info panel on this one.
Good morning. Just getting lads loaded up on the way here. Amazes me how much you need for a fence. Mess to do, a little couple of palisade repairs. We've had to get some ballast and cement because a couple of tall posts to do. Actually have a tension of a wire over the football pitch, the netting that we didn't know about. So they're going to concrete that in and leave it in over the weekend. We got that bit done yesterday, that's more or less up to height now. We've got this bit to do yet, but we're not in a rush. It's supposed to be coming for the machine today, I believe. Lads are just going now. And we've got these two punks in here, grinding away. They're ready to go to gal. I'm just going to get on with my admin. I've already started this morning, being in early. I'll get on with that because I've got to leave at about 9. First appointment's Castleford at 10 o'clock. And then I think I'm in Halifax or somewhere. Can't remember, so I'll have a good look. So yeah, I'll see if I can get some footage on my daily duties.
Right, good morning. A sunny day it is. We're over in Wakefield at Crofton Academy yet again. We've been over here numerous times, done loads of work for them. We're working over there tomorrow, which I'll show you tomorrow. There's a tree gone into the fence and clattered all that. We're repairing that. Then we're doing a bit of a security fence, bolt down job of a gate, some air conditioning units, and this is what we're doing today. Kids have been getting at school here, all this fence has come down, so continuing on this 2 metre green palisade. I'm going to put a post in here, string it, tap onto that fence and then run it through to that concrete post there. So should be a good day for me and Bags. I'll be back later, and we'll be back over here tomorrow, so there'll be more video footage. So at Crofton, we're building a little sealed compound here. There's a gate there central, bit of 1.8 twin round there. God will love a job for us. So it's all bolted down as well. I'm going to bolt out of this pad. Just taking that gate down there, and this, the timber, it were all falling down, so make it look good again for them. Second job of the day. We're just doing a little repair here. A tree's gone through 2 at base, so just a case of swapping rails and repealing it, snapping off. Just finished the cage there, and then we're over there then to concrete some big posts in.
I'm just at second appointment. A customer we've done the job for Click Eaton, but this is a beauty. Into this, took the gate out, and mostly took out fencing out as well. It's not going to be an easy fix, this one. It really wants a new gate style, but new gate leaf even. Quite big gates. Yeah, not easy. It's not really stuff we use neither, if I'm honest. So what I'm thinking here is might have to have 2 new leaves, because that's all bent and twisted anyway, and same as that one. So if we get 2 new leaves, it's actually 7 metres in between the gate posts. And we might as well incorporate these lugs here, like that. 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and same with that one, with the big sort of plates on. I'm probably going to mesh this in 358 mesh. Be better than this horrible Verdi mesh stuff.
What a lovely day! What's up? Napping on job, are we? Have a productive day, Jacob.
Always productive in Chamber's workshop.
Oh, I won't go out for that. I was there ready. We've got 1 more set of double leaf gates to do tomorrow. And then we're on our big load up, aren't we? Fat gal. It's Friday, we just had a little break in weather. It's nearly weekend, it started raining. Jacob just put in his last couple of uprights for these double leaf gates. Which one we did yesterday? Loaded these up front day before. Should be good to go. 4.5 metre gates these. Luckily my glamorous assistant has already literally put me everything up, which he should have been doing anyway, because that's his job.
Yeah, so I'm just not even seeing me there. I'm just at Ilkley here, Scouts Club. I'm just waiting on lads. Shouldn't be far off because I've just seen they've been at petrol station. But basically we've got a couple of lots of gates here. Got a single double gate to go outside, and then there's a single route back. So it should be hopefully all okay. After here I've got to go to Morley, a job that we've already got, a load of palisade, and then he's on about, you might have seen a while ago I did a survey there. We've got the job, palisade job, but then he wants a new sliding automated gate. Lads are here anyway, so we're just probably going to get this single done route back first. Makes sense because it was first on van, and it's just going here. It's just going to go there like that, sound, and then the other one is the combi gates round the side here. The lads are just unloading here. The combi gates are going there. There's a single there into a double, and then just a fence panel over there. Easy day for lads really, should be, hopefully. So we'll catch you later. Young Jacob, look, just stepping up. A few little jobs going on there. Gal, we'll have them back in a week or so.
I'm back in there for the next 2 months.
Yeah. Cal's wages, that's all he sees there. So yeah, looking well then. Called out, sent me a picture there done. Look well them gates actually. That they've just put in, at Scout's place, yeah.
Oh, it's a combo, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I must admit this morning when you said, I've had to go in and get your eyeballs, I'm thinking,
Well, luckily I could remember thingy. Yeah. So I thought I better not let them go in. I said, you wait here, I'll do it. I won't let them in. Yeah, so they're just going at Galv now. Lads will be back soon. I'm just finishing up with my admin. Had a pretty good day, like I say. I've got a decent job in today. Another sliding automated gate, which has worked for us all, including Ed at HC Fabs. Thank you, Ed. That last one was fantastic. I had a good chat actually earlier, me and Ed. So yeah, it's good all round. We're all getting bits of work. So yeah, I shall probably call it here actually. It's like I say, it's Friday afternoon now. I've just got an hour boring stuff on computer that nobody wants to see. So we've had a fairly decent week. Weather's been good, which always helps. It's been a bit cold today, like I say, that wind, but apparently it's meant to be red hot next week. So let's hope so. If you like what we do, give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe and get the bell notification, will you? And we'll see you next time. Thank you.